Home ownership. For Canadian families, it means more than a roof over your head. It's about financial security, a place to raise a family, being part of a community, and a neighborhood to call your own. For our economy, housing is a pillar of strength. We've been through tough times before. Housing led our recovery once with creative solutions that worked for the people. It can do it again. Getting people back to work, driving growth, supporting local businesses. Housing is an economic engine. Realtors have a plan to put it to work to benefit all Ontarians. Our plan will get more homes on the market, get people spending in the economy again, offer support to communities that need it the most, and contribute to a strong economic recovery for all Ontario. You can read our plan at aria.com/COVID recovery.